Hi there, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Timbren Silent Ride suspension system. This is going to replace your trailer's existing leaf spring suspension with these two rugged steel units that work with your trailer's existing axles and hubs to absorb road shock, help minimize your trailer bounce and rattle, and to help protect your trailer's components and cargo. From the folks that I've talked to or heard from that have used this kind of system, they say it is a huge improvement. Some folks said that they installed it on their cattle trailer, and they said the ride is great. The usual rattling and clanging of the trailer going down their gravel road is gone. The trailer body is so smooth that the cows think that they're riding in a Cadillac. I thought that was pretty funny reading that review. Another customer said that they've used both leaf suspensions and torsion suspensions on his pull-behind campers. He said the Timbrens are without a doubt the best suspension he's ever used. He appreciates that he doesn't end up with stuff all over his camper floor. And then one of our other customers did say that they used to bend an axle about every 6 months before they switched. Now he hasn't bent an axle in over 2 years. So these are going to be a really nice improvement for you. Should take away a lot of that movement and make it a much smoother ride. This kit is designed specifically for your tandem axle trailers with a 3-inch diameter round axle and with a 33-inch axle spread. The weight capacity for this set is 7,700 pounds, so you do want to make sure that that's going to work for your trailer. We do have several components here that are working together to provide that nice, smooth, gentle, quiet, stable ride for your trailer. So one of the components is our walking beam here. So you can see we've got this single pivot point that's going to keep the weight distributed evenly between the axles for maximum stability and a nice smooth ride. Then you have your pivoting arms here that are going to ensure that the tires hug the road even on rough, bumpy terrain. It's going to help the trailer stay level on that uneven ground. You do have the double ion rubber springs here on the inside. Those are going to absorb that road shock as that pivoting arm comes up. It's going to help support the trailer's load. Those are progressive rate springs, so they're going to compress and become stiffer and stronger as the load increases. So the heavier the load, the stronger they're going to get. And then if you have a light load, they're just going to engage lightly for you. And they're also going to act as a return device to minimize the rattle and bottoming out that you get. Back behind these arms, we do have fitted rubber bushings. You can see up here. Those are going to allow the control arms to be fully engaged and ensure the springs are in use at all times. So it's going to kind of force those arms back up so that the rubber springs can engage. These are a heavy-duty steel construction, so they're going to be very, very durable for you. You can see they have a rust-resistant powder coat finish on them, so that it's going to hold up well for you. All the rubber components are very tough, long-lasting rubber, so there's going to be virtually no maintenance involved with this setup. It's just going to install that first time. Once you get everything put together, it's going to give you that consistent, smooth ride, taking away a lot of that jostling and wear on your trailer. So to get these installed, it is going to be a bolt-on installation. The mounting hardware is not included. You will need 6 5/8-inch UNF bolts, lock nuts, and 5/8-inch washers to mount these onto your trailer. It is going to require some drilling and welding. You'll need to weld the axle seats onto your axles. Another component that is not included but will be required is going to be a 2-inch by 4-inch hollow steel cross member that goes the span of your trailer width. You want to make sure that it has a 3/16-inch wall thickness. That can typically be picked up at your local hardware store in a welding section or something like that. So that's just going to give you that extra reinforcement in between these. So like I said, this is going to be a really nice system to smooth out your ride, make it a lot more comfortable for you, and reduce the wear on your trailer. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with eTrailer.com. Thanks for watching.